Hey, good morning everybody. All right, man, I'm out here at Rotary Park. It's a Columbus Day. I got the No Shave October going on. I'm out in the kayak and I'm pretty stoked. Check it out, man. This right at the entrance, they finally got the new the new kayak launch installed. Looks like the water's a little deeper right here, at least. You know, at least they dug it out. So I'm pretty happy about that. So my plan today, I'm gonna throw in some deep water. I got some Livingston lures, deep diving crankbaits. I'm gonna throw the drop shot, and I'm gonna hopefully get my first walleye and first smallmouth out of here. If not, oh well, I don't care, just as long as I catch something. All right, man, let's get at it. I'm drop shotting, guys, and I just got bit. Hung up in this grass right now. Fuck. This little guy got all hung up in the weeds. Freaking dink. I believe I'm big, guys, on the drop shot. Nice. Freaking dink master.